Can math be easy? Here you can see the picture of a teacher and a student, where the teacher seems to be happy and the student seems to be a little disappointment. Let's inquire what's the problem. Rahul, why are you looking so gloomy? Ma'am, can math be easy? Yes, this is the problem most students face. Most of the students says that math is the difficult subject for me. Why it's so? Mathematics is a subject where it deals with the abstract ideas. Without proper logical thinking and lack of visualization only, students think that it's the most difficult subject. It can't be easy at all. Here I will give you some tips to answer the question, can math be easy? As yes, of course. Let's see the tips one by one. Understand logically. I said understand logically means mathematics is a subject deals with abstract ideas. So you needs to think or you needs visualization. When you visualize a question, you get a clear picture about the question. After getting the clear picture, you can easily find what actually the question urges, and from that you can find out the answer very quickly. Lack of visualization always results the question or the subject seems to be difficult. So while you get a question or you're dealing with the subject mathematics, understands it logically and visualize it always. Second one is study in groups. Why it says study in groups means when you study in groups, you start doing self-learning. When you start doing self-learning, you started to think by yourself. It gives you a lot of ideas and ways to study and understand the concept. So it naturally gives a way to understand the things or the concept logically. So here in study in groups give you an important feature or an important characteristics in your daily routine as self-learning. It's very important by learning. The third one is interrelate the topics. When you interrelate the topics while you study mathematics or any subject, it helps you to memorize the concept easily. For example, if you're studying about triangle, triangle means three-sided angle or a three-sided closed figure. So it needs three sides. Three sides means using line, we are joining the three sides. So for making a line, we need a point. So from a point, a line is joining. With the help of this line, we are making a triangle. So all these are interconnected. So while studying with a single term triangle itself, you are learning, you are interconnecting the triangle with line segment, points and all. After studying about triangle, then you are moving to different types of triangle. Even though you are interrelating these topics with all the concepts I told before. So if you're studying like this way, you can easily understand and you're always memorizing all the previous concepts. So it gives you a mastery in the subject. The fourth one is maintain separate books. Here are what I meant by maintain separate books means while you're studying mathematics, keep a separate books. Let it be a math dictionary. Write what all important points, formulas, theories, theorems, proofs. What all you seems to be important, just write it separately in your book and make it as your math dictionary. It will help you during your exam times, a quick test. You can just go through that math dictionary itself. You can easily understand what you all studied still now, and easily you can go through all the important formulas, theorems, everything. That's why it's said to maintain a separate books as a math dictionary. The fifth one is understand in your language. Why it so means mathematics is an abstract subject, it needs visualization. When you understand the concept in your language, which results a better understanding the question, which gives you a crystal clear visualization. If you get a visualization regarding the question, you can easily understand the question, then you can find out the answer quickly. So understand in your language means each one is studying maths or any other subject in their own way. So using their own language gives a clear visualization. That's why here said understand in your language. The sixth one is every problem has one solution. That is, every problem has one solution, at least one solution. You know that mathematics is a subject full of problems and all the problems have solution. The only way is to understand the problem. While getting a problem, read the question at least 2 to 3 times. That gives you a clear idea about the question, what actually the question gives and what you need to find out. See, in the question itself, the answer is there. The problem is, it is hidden in the question. When you understand the question only, you can understand where the answer is hidden and you can take it out. That's why it said that every problem has one solution. The only thing is, read the question, understand it properly, then find out the answer. Don't get panicked while sees a lengthy question. Even though lengthy question seems to be very simple. The next one is practice as much you can. We know that mathematics is not a theoretical subject. So we can't mug up anything in maths. That's also a one problem why students says that math is more difficult for me. So for understanding and thoroughing the concept, you need to practice as much you can. Practice many different questions. From the same concept itself, practice different a lot of questions in different ways. That makes you more confident regarding the concept. And the last one is review errors. This is the last one, but not the least. Review errors means while you're doing a problem, when you got stuck somewhere with a mistake, just understand why that mistake comes over there, why it happens so, and clear it, understands how it moves on. Then review the errors and make it clear that it won't or never happen anymore in such problems. So these are the tips I put forward to get the answer for a question. Can math be easy as? Yes. Just try to do these tips while you study mathematics. You feel or you see the changes in your study timing that math seems to be a little more easier.